Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought to choose a new topic and an interesting one, so I decided to choose the topic 15 fun facts about English language. Are you guys ready? If yes, then let's start. Fact number 1. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious is not the longest word in English. Wow, I read it. But I am feeling sad because it is not the longest word. Then let me give you one of the biggest shocks of your life by presenting the most longest word of the English language. Ta-da! I'm sorry. I give up. I can't read this. It is a now let me tell you what it exactly is. It is a type of lung disease caused by inhaling ash and dust. Go ahead and definitely try to pronounce it. Fact number 2. I am is the shortest complete sentence in the English language. I am. When someone asks you a question, you sometimes answer I am. So this I am is the shortest complete sentence in the English language. Fact number 3. Swims will be swims even when turned upside down, and the proof is in front of you. The figure. Just look at the picture. Even when it's turned upside down, the swims remain swims. Therefore, it is the only word in the English language that will be the word itself even when turned upside down. Fact number 4. A new word is added to the dictionary every 2 hours. So you can never say I know the whole words which are present in the English dictionary. No. You don't know each and every word because each word is added to the dictionary every 2 hours. Fact number 5. The oldest English word that is still in use is town. Town came into use centuries and centuries ago, and it's still in use. Therefore, it is the oldest English word that is still in use. Fact number 6. 11% of the entire English language is just the letter E. I've noticed this many times that E is the most frequently occurring alphabet than in comparison to any other alphabet of the English language. And yes, it is a fact also that 11% of the entire English language is just of the letter E. Fact number 7. English used to have 29 letters instead of the current 26. Wow, 3 letters have been removed. It made the work easier. Earlier, we used to have 29 alphabets instead of the current 26. We have 26 now and used to have 29 alphabets. I don't know when it was removed, so I would, of course, say years ago. Fact number 8. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Uses all 26 letters of the English alphabet. Wow, that's mind blowing. Just try checking. Just pause the video and try checking that if it contains all the alphabets of the English dictionary of the English language, and if no, then whoa, you proved the fact wrong. But of course, it has all the alphabets which are in the English language. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and the picture is there. Fact number 9. If you wrote out all the numbers, you would not use the letter B until the word billion. Wow. If we try writing all the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and we would that's mind blowing that we would not use the alphabet B until the word billion arrives. Fact number 10. The longest word you can make using only 4 letters is senseless. In the word senseless, we have used S, E, N, and L. The alphabets S, E, N, and L are only being used and is the longest word you can use you can make only using four alphabets. Fact number 11. Pronunciation is the most mispronounced word in the English language. And I was I was shocked looking at this that pronunciation is only the most mispronounced word in the English language. Oh God. Fact number 12. The word uncopyrightable is the longest English word in normal use that contains no letter more than once. Yeah, I just tried figuring it out this fact was absolutely correct. Uncopyrightable is the most longest word people use in normal day to day speaking, day to day conversations, and except of this, there is one more fact that it contains no alphabet more than once. Fact number 13. Only two English words in current use end in gry, gree or whatever we can pronounce. They are angry and hungry. Only two alphabets of the entire English dictionary end from the word end from the alphabets gry, gree. They are angry and hungry. Fact number 14. The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha and beta. Huh. Yeah, if we try joining, we also get the word alphabet. So somewhere this is matching, and the word alphabet has come from the two Greek words alpha and beta. Fact number 15. The most common consonant in the English is R followed by T. They are the most common consonants in the English language, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The rest others are consonant. So the most common consonant is R, and the second is T followed by T. Thank you friends for watching my video, and if you loved it, then please do like, subscribe, and do comment if you have any query, and do tell me in the comment box that how my video was. Thank you.